Hey there, guys. Chet here. In today's world, running an online business is really a hectic task. You have to rely on multiple tools from building websites to managing email marketing to making landing pages. So you have to switch oftentimes between several tabs to subscriptions and also pay for each one of them. All of this takes way too much of your time and put things just together in one simple package. Now, what if I told you about a single platform that can replace your expensive email tools, landing page builders, and your membership sites? And all of this on one simple dashboard. With it, you can run your complete online business without paying hundreds of dollars for so many different apps. Yes, you heard that right. System.io is an all in one platform that's created to solve all of your problems under one roof. It can build your funnels, make websites, and even automate your email campaigns. Not only that, it can sell your products, manage your online courses, and run an affiliate program without using any expensive software tools. So, in today's video, I'll tell you how System.io works, why it's growing so fast, and how you can run your online business with it at your fingertips. But before going further, if you find this video helpful and you would like to support the channel, I've included an affiliate link for System.io in the description. Now, what is System.io? Well, it's not an ordinary business platform. It's an all in one online business platform that is specifically for entrepreneurs, coaches, freelancers, and digital creators who want to expand and grow their business. It combines all features of an email marketing service, a sales funnel builder, and a membership site platform. On top of all of that, it helps automate an e commerce store with simple and easy steps. The cherry on top is you can utilize all of these services without shifting to multiple tasks and paying huge fees for expensive tools. To put it simply, it's kind of like having ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Teachable, and Zapier all gathered into one program, but at a very low cost. Additionally, you can build sales funnels and landing pages. You can grow and manage your email list with it as well. And then you can also automate your marketing workflows, create and sell online courses, and run your own affiliate program, as well as sell both digital and physical products. It is very easy to use for beginners and is also cost effective yet powerful enough to meet the needs of advanced users. Now, signing up for System IO is very quick and easy to get started. First, open your browser and search for System.io. Now, you'll land on the home page where on the right side, there will be an option to start for free now. Once you click it, you'll find the Create Your Free Account option on the screen, and then below that, the Enter Your Email Address option will appear. Here, you will put your email, and that's it. After you log in, you'll hop onto a dashboard where you will be asked to choose three options. The first one is, do you already have a business? With three given choices. The first one is, do you already have a business? With three choices given. Now, the first choice is yes, an online business. The second choice is yes, an offline business. And the third choice is no, I don't have a business. You have to select one option among these three. Now, suppose I choose yes, I have an online business. Then, after clicking it, you head toward another screen with an option. What is your annual revenue in US dollars or USD? If you click more than 1,000 per year, then you've got to put your cell phone number and click on the submit option. After that, you'll receive a confirmation link in your email. Once confirmed, you'll be asked to set up a secure password for your account. After that, you are ready to log in, and congratulations. You are now inside the System.io dashboard where you can access funnels, emails, contacts, blogs, and so much more. Now, unlike most platforms, System.io offers a completely free plan without requiring your credit card details. After you log out of the dashboard, you can again log in after putting your registered email in System.io. Now, the System.io dashboard is clean, simple, and designed for beginners. At the top left corner, you'll see the leads option with a bar graph that gives you an overview of your stats and performance for 1 month. On the right-hand side, the menu gives you access to every major feature. You'll find options for CRM, sites, emails, automations, assets, sales, and then the help section. In all of these features, you can build your sales funnels and landing pages and emails where you can create marketing campaigns and newsletters. There's also a blogs section for hosting content directly inside of System.io, as well as an automation section for creating workflows and rules. Under products and sales, you can manage your offers, payments, and checkout settings, while the contacts tab helps you organize leads, subscribers, and customers. Finally, the settings tab gives you control over your account, payment integrations, and other configurations. Now, we will discuss the key features of System.io, what they do, and how they are beneficial for your business and or your agency. First of all, there is a CRM section on the dashboard, which is a customer relationship management section or tool that enables you to track and lead your customers and your projects. Then there is Contacts, which has details of all of your subscribers and buyers with their emails, tags, and purchasing history. Next up is the Tabs feature, which categorizes your contacts and leads to manage different groups of targeted campaigns. Then there is the Pipeline section, which tracks your leads from initial contacts to conversion to really give you an idea of where someone is rather in the sales process. Then comes Calendar to schedule and manage important tasks, calls, and follow-up details. All of these options make CRM a better feature to improve sales efficiency and work towards business growth. Now, after that comes the Sites option, which consists of blogs, sales funnels, and digital stores. With blogs, you can publish articles, share content, and boost your SEO or search engine optimization directly inside of System.io without needing WordPress or any extra plugins. On the other hand, sales funnels lets you design your journey, which guides visitors from awareness to purchasing using customizable landing pages, forms, and checkout pages. Now, let us try to build your very first funnel. From the dashboard, click on Funnels and then Create Funnel. System.io will ask you to choose a name and goal for your funnel. These goals include options such as building an audience, selling a product, running an evergreen webinar, or creating a custom funnel. For example, if you want to do leads for a free ebook, you would select Build an Audience. Then you can name your funnel. So, for example, for your free ebook, you can choose Free Ebook Funnel and then choose your preferred currency, such as US dollars or euros. After that, you can click Save, and then System.io will automatically create a funnel for you with default steps like an opt-in page and a thank you page. Each step can then be customized using the drag and drop editor. Now, after the funnel sales come the digital stores. It allows you to sell both physical and digital products with different payment gateways, order tracking, and product management together. These tools give you everything that you need to attract, grow, and convert customers into loyal ones. All of this, again, on one platform. Well, it seems very interesting to use System.io, but that's not all. System.io has other remarkable features. One of the most powerful of System.io is its built-in email marketing. In the email section, there are newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. To get started, simply head over to the Emails tab. Here you can create either a newsletter or a campaign, which is a sequence of automated emails. You can then add emails using the built-in editor, which allows you to design your content, format text, and insert links. Personalization is also available through tags such as first name, making your emails feel more engaging. You can set up delays and triggers for your campaigns. Now, example, when someone signs up for your funnel, you might send them a welcome email immediately. A day later, you could share a link to a free training video, and then a few days after that, you could send them an offer for your paid product. The best part is that System.io enables unlimited email sends, and that too is also available on the free plan. This feature makes it more attractive than other paid platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit that often charge based on email volume. After that, you can also check the statistics of your sent emails and the average percentage of opened emails after clicking the statistics option in the emails section. Oh, wait, it also gives you the average percentage of spam reports per opened email and the average percentage of those bounced emails. Another feature to the cap, or another feather rather, in the cap of System.io is its automation capabilities. It consists of rules and workflows. Through it, you can create workflows that handle your daily tasks and keep your business running, ensuring your growth and productivity. Where System.io really shines is in its automation capabilities. For example, when someone signs up for your funnel, the system can add them to your email list, send them a welcome message, and tag them as a new lead. Now, after all of that comes the Assets section. This key feature of System.io is designed to store and manage the important elements of your online business. Under physical products, you can list and manage tangible items that you want to sell. These items are complete with pricing, stock, and delivery details. Through that, you can create coupons, which let you create discount codes and even special offers to boost sales and to reward those loyal customers. Then with courses, you can upload lessons about your products and business growth and deliver online training programs. And assets, the communities option, helps you build private groups or membership areas where your audience can interact, share, and stay engaged. Then in the end, there is the files section where you upload and organize digital resources like PDFs, videos, or images to use across your funnels, stores, and courses. These options make assets the central hub for everything you sell, share, or deliver inside of System.io. Now, if someone buys your course, the system can quickly move them from your leads list to your customer list. The system can also give them access to the course and remove them from irrelevant email campaigns. These automations really make sure that your business operates on autopilot. Eventually, it automates the entire system, saving you time and energy while keeping customers engaged. And last but certainly not least is the sales feature of System.io, which helps you supervise and track all of the money related activities of your business. In this feature, the Orders tab shows every purchase made by your customers, while Transactions keeps a detailed record of payments and refunds. The Subscriptions feature helps you manage recurring payments for memberships or subscription based products. With affiliate invoices, you can view and handle payouts owed to your affiliates, making it very easy to run a referral program. At the end, the My Affiliate Program tab will allow you to manage your own affiliate system, track performance, and set commission structures. Altogether, this section really gives you full visibility and control over your business's revenue streams. The biggest advantage of System.io is that it is an all-in-one tool. You don't need to subscribe to 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 different platforms because everything is available in one place. It's also very user-friendly. And then on top of that, it's affordable with a free plan that already covers most key features and paid plans that are much cheaper than its competitors. That's it. I gave you a complete guide to System.io in this video, which is one of the most powerful and affordable all-in-one business platforms, really, that is available today. If you've been trying to manage multiple tools, or if you want to save money while still running your business smoothly, then System.io is a one-stop destination for all of your business problems. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.